Today we're going to be painting the inside of a fireplace, and we've picked up some Rust-Oleum high heat ultra long lasting finish extra rich color semi-gloss sheen. You can use this on grills, fireplaces, but that's what we will be using to paint it. Now the first thing you want to do is go through and with a putty knife, or just go ahead and scrape everything as much as you can off. And I did that before. I scraped a lot of it off, but you can see you'll want to get as much as you can off. And then just go ahead and get your vacuum, do the sides. Then you just go ahead and get your vacuum and vacuum it out. The next step will be to get a damp cloth and just wipe everything down. Try to get out as much, or get as much of the loose stuff out as you possibly can. But wipe it down really well. Do the sides, do the bottom. I'm probably going to paint this front a little bit. You want to just get all the debris off. Now once you scrape and then vacuum up all the debris and wipe it down, probably vacuum it again, you should be ready to start painting. And it says on this label that when you paint, you need to shake the can vigorously, hold can upright. You can read the directions, 12 to 16 inches from the surface. So that's what we will be doing. You want to make sure you put down a drop cloth, and you might want to tape around. We just repainted this tile, so we'll probably want to go ahead and tape that off, so we don't want any overspray to get on the tile. Again, the next thing, again, after shaking the can really well for about a minute, you just go ahead and open the lid. And in a sweeping motion, just go ahead and start spraying it. Make sure you have a lot of ventilation. Give it a nice glossy look. And you do want to keep checking the can as you go along. And there you have it, after painting the fireplace. It's so great. We also painted the tile. See our video on painting tile. Used to be an orange color. But anyway, it turned out really nice. Also painted the mantle white. But we'd sure appreciate it if you would please subscribe to Big Al Repairs so we can keep filming these do-it-yourself projects.